guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the last part of our Seben tutorial of Olivier Calabassi, Louange, and this is the final part of the song. So the Seben part in the key of A, and this will be played in 1-5-4-5. So another bass line that you can add to your playing. So stay tuned and please like if you find this helpful and comment if you find this helpful too. So this song is in 1-5-4-5 in the key of A. So 1-5-4-5, A, E, D, E, La, Mi, Re, Mi, La. So in this bass line, he starts off by playing 1, so the A. So what I'm doing is, so if you slide down to the 4, so the octave and the E string, so what I'm playing is, so when I go to the 4, I play, so when I play the 4, I play like 6, 5, so 4, so 6, 5, and then so this is the 3, so so that's the 3, and then so this is the 6 sharp, so you're playing 6, 6 sharp, so so that's what he plays after. So so that's simply 4, 5, then so 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7. So after playing that, he goes to so you play it normally, then so I'm playing 2, 6, 2, 5, so 2, 6, 2, 5. So why am I playing there? So 2, 6, 2, 5, then 6, 6, 2, 6, 2, 5. So 1, so so I can, so he also plays. You don't have to play what the bassist plays, like exactly what he plays. Of course, we can learn from them, but we can also put out our own ideas. So even if you play, so 2, 2, 6, 2, 5. 2 6 2 5 2 6 2 5 5 4. So on the G string, so 5 4. Then at the end, after he plays, so what I'm playing is 2 2 5 5 6. So 2. So first 2 2 5 5 5 2 2 5 5 6. So da, 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 da. So that was a very quick tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and also let me know your suggestions and how I can also improve your videos. If there are things that I'm explaining too quick, or if I'm taking too long to explain certain things, do let me know. If there's something that you want to see on my videos as well, please do let me know what's working, what's not working, so I can improve as well. And thank you so much. Until next time.